So a few months back, we've been seeing all this Black Lives Matter, Muslim Lives Matter, Free the People Uyghur. Now we see Black Lives Still Matter. But then, wait, I'm Ashraf, ladies and gentlemen. This is Roshan. If you're my friend, his friend, a subscriber, you already know him. He has something for me.
Yes, sir. Present. I present you with my art of.
Okay.
Not art of
The video is going, man.
Louis Salah.
Man, nobody cares. Nobody cares about your art, man. Yeet. Okay. Anyways, so people now.
No one appreciates me.
Okay, this will be next week's video. Mental health. And the next week you'll also be about this guy, and that video is going to be about animal cruelty.
Yeah.
Okay. So you know what to do. Subscribe so you can don't miss out these videos. Yeah.
I know you all like starting to subscribe, watch all the videos because of me and my editing and things. I know. Hey.
Okay. Too much. You went too far. You went too far.
Just start. Just continue.
Okay. So how you see these people, right? They putting Muslim Lives Matter, Black Lives Matter. They see they won't support. In real life, they won't do nothing.
They'll do nothing about it. All the thing just repost on the story.
Yeah. They just doing it because if they don't do it, it's going to look weird. Everyone's doing it. I must fit in. Have no moral values or sometimes people. Okay,
And plus, like, they just trying to show off, like, oh, I support this too. You're supporting Black Lives Matter. Mosquito. You're supporting Black Lives Matter. You're supporting all these lives matter. We know lives matter. We have brains. We are humans. We do know. But what initiative you are taking to do some shit? And you are a Malaysian.
Wakanda forever.
Oh my god. Oh, Wakanda forever.
Okay.
So you are taking, like, you are supporting Black Lives Matter, and you are like talking. There are even people who are making videos. Malaysians are making videos about racism in America, but where are the people who are making videos about racism in Malaysia?
They say Black Lives Matter. And then they see the Indians confirm. Hug the child tightly, chain all tucky,
Lock the door.
Ring, they be walking like this. You got ring like this, like this. And but then they be like Black Lives Matter. Racist, they themselves racist.
Yeah.
Racist, cannot say. Video PG-rated.
இந்த ஆயாட்டி எல்லா இடத்துல பாய்க்காத சாவடிச்சிடும் உன்னை மாட்டின கையில.
One more. Muslim Life Matter now. Muslim Life Matter. 5 ringgit donate. I don't know why 5 ringgit is always 5 ringgit somehow. It's always 5 ringgit donation, and then they will say no lah, don't want lah, malas lah, they don't need lah. Okay. But then they will be the people having an iPhone they do not need, and they will be the people probably spending 5 ringgit on a drink or more.
Starbucks, 12 ringgit, 14 ringgit. The 14 ringgit you can give to homeless people or homeless family. The 14 ringgit they could buy food.
Whole family will eat a meal.
Yeah, the whole family eat a meal.
No, they can
Or
afford.
you can even buy save the 15 ringgit, buy them food or buy them clothes and just give them.
They have like a whole wardrobe of clothes, but they can't donate one of them. Not even buy new clothes lah. That one clothes already don't wear for 1-2 years already. They won't give. But then Muslim Lives Matter, Black Lives Matter, Mental Health Matters, all that. Yes. And then they say, oh yeah, you must support them. And then never.
Lockdown, oh yeah.
One more. They say lockdown, whatever thing. Okay, they also come big deal. But then they will be the first people walking out of the house. Man, coming back to the topic, which is all these lives matter things. Yeah. Okay.
Lives do matter.
Nobody
but
said no.
sometimes it doesn't matter. When
Yeah.
you're a racist son of a.
No, their lives still matter. Their lives still matter, whether racist or not.
What is this? Your personal equipment.
This is you. What does anything? What is the video?
No, I'm sorry, but I thought it was your
Give. Okay, never mind.
Your fun, your happy time thingy.
Yeah. I fun do the. Every lives do matter. Black lives do matter. Muslim lives matter. We're not saying no.
White lives matter too.
Yeah, we're not telling it's
You
wrong.
matter to us because we in streets gentlemen do not judge.
Actually, yeah. And if you want to,
Don't point at my fans like that. Only I can.
if you want to,
If you want to,
have any problems you want to share, Cis Gentleman's account will be in the bottom below. You can always
you can DM us.
we'll
Don't DM me asking me to do TikTok or don't DM me asking for intro. If you DM me if you actually need help. Don't ask for, you ask for intro, I will tell my amma.
my amma will come with a parang. Okay, never mind.
Yes.
No, Rotan. The classic Rotan. Yeah, but you can always message us. We're not going to judge you. We're not going to tell anyone. Maybe if you're a friend, maybe I want to humiliate you in school. But if you're a stranger who I do not know, I'm not
You have
going
no
to.
friends.
No, I do.
Oh yes.
I do.
Congratulations.
I want to. Actually, want to. Okay, no, I cannot. PG rated. Cannot do. Okay. So, one second come to this matter. So, yes, lives matter. We're not telling it's wrong. We're just telling you do that and do the actual steps to help these people. When you say Black Lives Matter, you say Muslim Lives Matter, do something can actually help.
Do something.
When you just
Get some help.
when you just say story, it's not going to help anyone. You're not actually doing stuff.
I
You're
have
just
something.
what?
Action speaks louder than words.
Exactly.
Oh.
But if you're going to post like the donation wise or just awareness, just nothing wrong. But you're just going to put in the Instagram story, create only hashtag Black Lives Matter, that thing is pretty much useless.
Yes. Go out there. Do some shit for the country.
Yeah.
Be a Malaysian.
Don't even need to other
be
country.
proud to be a Malaysian.
Our own country.
For our own country.
Own country.
Yes.
Let's say for
We
one.
need to be fighting for our own country.
I
We
bet.
need to overcome these things. Racism in families, racism in society, racism in politics. All this for our country.
But Arthur Prime Minister. Okay. And I bet you these people who talk so much, right? If let's just say, I hope not Malaysia's in a war, they'll be the first people running out of the country.
Facebook.
Oi. Okay. So we're gonna end our topic here now. Thanks for guys for watching. I really appreciate your time. So you know what to do. The classic like, share, subscribe,
comment, do whatever you can for this video to go viral.
and please do message DM this gentleman because we are here
Because
to
he's
help
very
you.
lonely, I have no friends to talk to. DM him. Follow him.
Because I want to help.
It's okay. I have.
No, I just want to help.
I won't help you.
Well, bye.
Walk in the club with the cash on me. Gang in the club with the strap on them. I cut you off, turn your